Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at a neat little flashlight. Well, I hope it's a neat little flashlight. Anyway, this is the Streamlight 65018 Stylus LED Penlight. And the thing that makes this thing kind of interesting is it takes 3 quadruple A batteries. And the only other thing I've run across that takes quadruple A batteries is a kind of unusual Winger Swiss Army knife that I ran across. So let's take a look at this thing. Alright, so thinnest alkaline flashlight in the world, blah blah blah, LED lights last forever, press to do something. Can't press to do something. Alright, let's look on the back. We got a momentary blink on. Aircraft aluminum casing, water resistant, blah blah blah. Individual serial numbers. Glare guard protector, lifetime limited warranty. Assembled in the USA, of US and foreign parts. And let's see. Got some other stuff. Looks like the white LED is 11 lumens. It'll last 24 hours. And it can get rained on, but that's about it. So, let's see. How do we get into this thing? How do we get into it? I have an idea. This is how we get into it. Alright. So already it's pretty solid feeling light. And it's got a, I'm guessing this is the glare cover thing. Alright, so if we push the tail cap, it lights. And if we twist something, it lights. Let's see. Press to test. Unique shape, style, and appearance of Stylus flashlight. That doesn't help us, does it? Alright, so is this the only way you light it? Did you push the tail cap? There's not a way to lock it in? Okay. So if you twist the tail cap all the way down, it lights it permanently. If you loosen it and then, oops, if you twist it all the way down, this thing's too long to get on camera. If you twist it all the way down, it turns on, and then you can untwist it and use a tail cap to light it up like that. It's not too bad. And I guess this is the glare guard thing, where you put it on and it guards against the glare. I guess it gives you more of a spotlight kind of effect. It's more directed. Okay, that's kind of interesting. So let's check out these quadruple A batteries. I know y'all are super excited to see them. They're kind of weird. I don't know if y'all have ever dissected a 9-volt battery, but if memory serves correctly, you'll find 6 of these inside of a 9-volt battery. So these are the quadruple A batteries. And they're pretty much exactly what you'd imagine them to be. They're a little bit smaller and a little bit thinner than AAA batteries. And so, kind of neat. And definitely a little, I mean, they're interesting. And so, super easy to change the batteries though. It feels like it's a pretty tough little light. So, not bad. There we go. So, kind of cool. And it's not very expensive. It's like $15, I think. And I think it's like 10 lumen. And it's supposed to... Actually, it's supposed to last for like 60 hours, I think. I think 24 is wrong. I think it's supposed to last for about 60 hours. So if you're looking for like a nifty, thin little light that could easily go in a pocket with a pen and not really be noticed, because this isn't much bigger than a pen. And for a quick comparison, pen, flashlight. And if you remove the little glare guard, you have it even a little bit shorter. So yeah, it's very much the same kind of imprint you'd get from a pen. And I mean, this isn't a huge pen. It's just a normal pen. Anyway, kind of neat. Let me know what you think. You think this is kind of a nifty flashlight? You think quadruple A batteries are just kind of weird? Anyway, I'll include a link in the description if you want to check this out. And if there's anything you think I should check out, let me know in the comments. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.